Hi friends, let me show you these replacement filters that I bought for my pet's water fountain. These filters are great and they are required because you want to give them fresh water, okay? You get 8 filters, 8 replacements, okay? Each of them come packed individually and you want to clean them before using them, okay? Let's clean them. You want to rinse them with clean water. So you get rid of any dust or whatever. Let's install them. This is the water fountain. Let's turn it off. This is the place where you want to put the filter, okay? So the filter will receive all the water from the upper part and it will filter it so it's fresh always. So if you have this kind of water fountain, these replacement filters are great. Thank you.